Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I am doing a quick tutorial today for you on how to make this freeform spiral center flower Irish crochet motif. I am putting together a beautiful cardigan and I'm just coming up with loads of different ideas. I am using scrap yarn. I'm using a lighter shade of red and a little bit of a darker shade of red, but you can absolutely use one block color. So we're going to start off by securing our yarn. I tend to secure it just by twisting the yarn like this, and I shall chain 5. What I'm going to do now is slip stitch into the center or single crochet in the center, chain 1 and place single crochets in the center space. Put as many as you can fit, as many as you can get in there. So I've only got space for one more, and I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain, chain 1, put a single crochet in that same space. In the next chain, put a half double crochet and yet another half double crochet in the same space. In the next chain, double crochet, do 2 of them, and double crochet all the way around. You reach the end. Now it is up to you how large you want the center spiral of your flower. And now we've reached the end. We're not going to slip stitch into the first chain like we do traditionally. We're going to make a spiral, so we need to continue this pattern all the way around. How are we going to do that? We're simply going to carry on double crocheting into that first chain instead of slip stitching. Put 2 double crochets in that space. Like that. And in the next chain space, put 2 double crochets in it again. And carry on going all the way around until you're happy with the center. I'm probably going to do a few more double crochet stitches. Now for the next row, in every other chain, put in 2 double crochets in every other chain, otherwise your work's going to curl. So I'm going to do 2 double crochets in this chain here. In the next chain I shall do 1. In the next space I shall do 2. Next chain I'll do 1. Next chain I'll do 2. And I'm going to stop here. Obviously you won't snip your yarn. I kind of don't have a choice but to snip my yarn because I am here using scrap yarn. Chain 1 and turn it around. And now we are going to start to make the spiral 3D. Go ahead and start to single crochet in the back chains until you reach the end here. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what that looks like from the front. Single crochet, your work should look something like that. Carry that on until you reach the end. Now I'm reaching the end. What we're going to do now is bend your work backwards as you're going along. We now need to place single crochets in these chains that we have made. Just want to show you what that looks like. You see that? That's what's going to give it that 3D effect. So bend the work back and you shall carry on placing single crochets before the next chain where you double crocheted. So in other words, you're placing single crochets on top of your double crochets in your previous row. And really do take your time with this. Just want to show you what that looks like. Can you see that 3D effect coming along there? And I am running out of yarn. So I'm just going to put this last single crochet in, tighten it, and I'm just going to stop and I'm going to join some more yarn, and I'm going to carry on going all around this center bit, and I will stop right there. Okay, your work should be looking something like this. We're going to start to make the petals now. For the petals, slip stitch into any 2 chains of your choice and make a decision on how big you'd like your petals. So I'm kind of going for this kind of size. So I want 5, I'm aiming for 5 petals. So I'm going to chain about 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to place a slip stitch about there to conclude my first petal. Chain 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the beauty of freeform crochet. You literally just decide as you go along. Put my next one there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I shall put my next one maybe about there. 3. I think I'm going to end up with 6 petals on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put about there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put one slap in the middle of the space that we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you see my petal width, the space of the space between the petals. It is so not even. As you can see, this petal here, I think it's about 3 chains, where these ones are about 5 or 6. Just bear with me and see what happens here. Now using this same pattern for every petal, go ahead and place 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, chain 4, put a picot stitch in, so that's a single crochet in these 2 chains here. I'll repeat the exact same thing on the opposite side. So the magic number here is 2. So 2 triple crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet. and then single crochet straight into the next petal. So 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, chain 4, a picot stitch, same thing on the other side. So 2 triple crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet right into the other petal, 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, chain 4, picot stitch, 2 triple crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, next petal, 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, crochet, 2 triple crochet, chain 4, single crochet to make a picot stitch, 2 triple crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet straight into the other petal. So that's 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, chain 4, single crochet, the picot stitch, 2 triple crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet directly in the next petal, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, chain 4, picot stitch, 2 triple crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, and to finish off with, we're going to slip stitch right at the start of the first petal. I'm going to snip my yarn. Of course I will tuck this in later, but look at how that evened out despite our petal foundations not being the same. This is the beauty of free crocheting. You can literally make any pattern, any design just with an idea. Do let me know if you try this pattern out. I've got loads more on my channel. Please like, comment. Most importantly, please subscribe. I plan to have a lot more videos coming for you, but only with your support. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.